Welcome back to Reviews Heaven, the ultimate destination for honest product reviews. Today, we're diving into the sizzling world of frying pans. Whether you're flipping pancakes, searing steak, or perfecting that omelet, a great pan can make all the difference. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 best frying pans that combine durability, performance, and ease of use. From non-stick wonders to cast iron classics, we've got something for every cooking style and kitchen setup. And don't worry, we've got you covered. You'll find all the product links in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. Ready to upgrade your kitchen game? Let's get cooking. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. HexClad Hybrid Non-Stick Fry Pan. Are you ready to level up your cooking game? Meet the HexClad Hybrid Non-Stick 12-inch Fry Pan, where cutting-edge tech meets everyday practicality. This pan combines the power of stainless steel, the toughness of cast iron, and the easy cleanup of non-stick. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of frying pans, minus the awkward pocket-sized storage. This pan isn't just pretty, it's practical. With a tri-ply construction, aluminum is sandwiched between 2 stainless steel layers, creating a laser-etched hexagonal surface. Translation? It sears like a pro, doesn't stick, and laughs in the face of scratches. Bonus points. The Stay Cool handle saves your fingers from playing hot potato with the cookware. What's more, it's compatible with any cooktop, gas, electric, induction, you name it. You can even pop it in the oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. And the lid? Safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is just the right amount of heat for most recipes. Or that one time you accidentally charred dinner. Plus, the pan is dishwasher safe and backed by a lifetime warranty. That's like having a best friend who's always reliable and never judges your cooking experiments. All this comes in a sleek package with a tempered glass lid to show off your masterpieces. So, whether you're frying eggs or sautéing veggies, HexClad has got your back and your stove. Want your kitchen to feel fancy but still forgiving? This pan is your culinary soulmate. Number 2. CAROTE Non-Stick Frying Pan Skillet. Looking for a pan that's as smooth as your best dance moves? Say hello to the CAROTE Non-Stick Frying Pan Skillet, an 8-inch powerhouse wrapped in eco-friendly granite. It's like having nature's touch in your kitchen, but without the bugs or camping gear. And yes, it's PFOS and PFOA free, so you can flip your eggs with a clear conscience. Cleaning? It's practically cheating. Just a quick wipe with a paper towel or a rinse and you're done. No scrubbing marathons required. Plus, it saves water and reduces carbon emissions, so it's kinder to the planet and your schedule. Cooking on different stoves? No problem. This pan's high magnetic conductive base heats up faster than a gossip session and works on all cooktops, including induction. It's the all-rounder of cookware, perfect for whipping up omelets, frying eggs, or grilling with minimal oil and smoke. And here's the cherry on top. Every CAROTE pan goes through strict inspections. If delivery gives you a dented pan, they'll replace it or refund you, no questions asked. So, whether you're a pro chef or a serial burner, this pan makes cooking easier, healthier, and a whole lot more fun. Number 3. T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan. What if your frying pans could tell you when they're ready to cook? Meet the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set, where durability meets innovation, and yes, there's a heat indicator that's smarter than your ex. With a solid red thermospot technology, these pans let you know the perfect moment to start cooking. No more guessing games or burnt pancakes. This set includes 2 pans, 10-inch and 12-inch, perfect for everything from a solo breakfast to a family feast. The titanium non-stick coating ensures food slides right off, so even that stubborn fried egg won't put up a fight. Clean up? It's a breeze. Pop them in the dishwasher or give them a quick wipe. Built to last, the hard anodized construction is tough enough for daily use. The riveted silicone handles stay cool, and the vented tempered glass lids let you keep an eye on your culinary masterpiece while locking in heat and moisture. It's like your food's personal sauna. Oh, And these pans are oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, lids to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While they're not induction compatible, they'll handle just about every other cooktop. T-fal has your back with a lifetime warranty. So let these pans elevate your kitchen game, one sizzle at a time. Number 4. SENSARTE Non-Stick Frying Pan Skillet. Introducing the SENSARTE Non-Stick Frying Pan Skillet, a 9.5-inch gem that brings Swiss innovation straight to your kitchen. With its ILAG non-stick coating from Switzerland, this pan isn't just fancy. It's healthy too, being PFOA-free and SGS approved. Think of it as the James Bond of cookware. Sleek, reliable, and always gets the job done. No tuxedo required. The wood-grain Bakelite handle is not just for looks. It stays cool while you cook, so no more accidental ouch moments. Plus, it feels so good in your hand. You might start waving it around like a magic wand. Oven safe up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for recipes that demand a little baking finesse. Its high magnetic conductive base heats up evenly and quickly, making it compatible with all stoves, including induction. The pan's cast aluminum body ensures durability, so it can handle your kitchen experiments with grace and a little sass. Clean up? It's ridiculously easy. A quick wipe or rinse is all it takes to make it sparkle like new. If you want a pan that's as hardworking as you but doesn't complain, SENSARTE is your ultimate sidekick. Who knew cooking could feel this smooth? Number 5. Lodge Cast Iron Frying Pan Skillet. Let's talk about a skillet so tough it could probably survive the apocalypse, the Lodge 12-inch cast iron skillet. This classic piece of cookware isn't just a pan. It's a legacy. Pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, it's ready to cook right out of the box. Searing steak? Sautéing veggies? Baking cornbread? This pan does it all, and it does it with style. What sets it apart? Heat retention that's unmatched. It cooks evenly every time, so no more blaming the pan for your burnt pancakes. It comes with an assist handle for easy control and a silicone grip that keeps your hands safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Say goodbye to oven mid-acrobatics. This skillet works on any heat source: oven, stovetop, grill, even a campfire. Yes, it's a kitchen warrior and a camping buddy. Plus, with proper care, it only gets better with age. You might even pass it down to your grandkids, along with your secret chili recipe. Cleaning is simple. Warm water, a little soap, optional, dry, and oil it lightly. Store it in a dry place, and this skillet will stay loyal for decades. Want cookware that can do it all? This one's cast to impress. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Heaven. We hope this guide to the top 5 best frying pans helps you find your perfect cooking companion. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description box below. Like, share, and subscribe for more sizzling reviews. Happy cooking!